on the bun or the...
Here.
She's crowning me up. I've never been crowned.
You're fucking stupid.
Miss
Let me see if it's straight. I hate you.
My little hairs.
You want to be a princess? Just...
Beautiful.
You look so cute. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Savannah. Welcome to my channel. I have my sister here with me. If you guys don't know, this is Cheyenne. She's been in a couple videos with me before. Mom, get your dog. So today we're gonna try starting a new series on my channel. We decided to call it, what did we decide?
It's like tea time and spilling the tea.
So making the tea and spilling the tea.
And we're basically gonna make like cocktails.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a cocktail hour. Sisters, we're gonna spill some tea, but I don't think we're gonna spill tea today because we're just gonna make some drinks because it's already getting late and I'm trying to drink.
And honestly, like we didn't even have time to think about tea, like any gossip.
Yeah, because we don't gossip.
Yeah. We had no idea.
I don't think we've ever filmed in this room before. This is my sister's house. This is her kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Do you guys see her flowers in the back? We're very loved.
Very loved. Valentine's was a few days ago.
Yeah. So my mom's here visiting, and I don't know if you guys can hear her dog, but her dog is going crazy. So my mom's here. We're gonna make some cocktails. We already got your pina colada, right, Mom?
Princess says hi.
And we're gonna make some. What's the name of the drink, Cheyenne?
So we are calling this drink the Leprechaun Kiss for St. Patrick's Day, and her birthday is actually like a St. Patrick's birthday. So the only thing is for this drink, we needed vodka, and I thought I had vodka here at the house, and all of our like Tito's vodka is gone, so we had to bust open like the really nice vodka, but normally we wouldn't like use this, but we're gonna use a little bit today because
we really don't have any other choice.
Yeah.
This is, what is this? Jean-Marc
XO vodka.
Those are big words on that. I'm not even gonna try to read that card, but it's fancy vodka. So hopefully this drink is extra good.
Should we start off with the shot? Like, should we do that or should we not?
I mean, we can do whatever we like.
You're right.
Let's get a shot. This is a cheers to our first tea time video.
Yeah. Next time we'll have some really juicy tea to spill.
But today we're not focused on the tea.
Yeah, we're not.
We're focused on the making of the tea. Cheers, darling. Cheers.
All right, so for this recipe, we will need lemon lime soda, sour apple pucker or like a drink mixer.
Sour apple mixer, yeah.
Lemon juice, some simple syrup, food coloring, green, which we had.
We don't really need it because this is already green. But if we need it, we'll pull it out.
But we did use it because we needed the sugar. Like,
oh, we made our own green sugar to like salt. I mean, to rim the drinks.
And then vodka of your choice.
And I guess today we're doing expensive vodka.
It's an expensive kind of night. So let's start off. We have all of our bar supplies. Savannah got me like a really cute housewarming gift when I got this house. So we will make it in here and shake it up. So we're gonna do, it just says 1 lemon lime soda.
We're just gonna
measure it out.
Let's eyeball it.
Oh, you're also gonna need your,
oh, these are our sister, these are our sister cocktail glasses. Aren't they cute?
these are only gonna be used for tea time purposes.
Only. Okay.
Look at your mother.
Mom, come say hi.
Do you wanna say hi?
No. Just pop in.
Looks good. Hi, everybody.
You're so cute. What, are we doing 2 in this right away?
Yeah, let's just do it so we can.
Okay, so let's count it out. Let's maybe do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Because we're gonna add some more stuff.
Yeah, let's just start with 7.
We'll taste test it.
Then we're gonna add some pucker or some sour apple.
How much?
1 ounce.
But normally the smaller side is 1 ounce.
Sorry, you can probably hear my mom's puppy. It's okay, Mom. He
okay,
probably
Mom.
sees us. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Oh.
Uh-oh. Already? Just kidding. Wait.
What, did we mess up?
Should we be doubling it?
Yes!
Cheyenne! Wait, okay, so let me put another one of this. And what did we put before this?
And these are like large glasses.
Oh, large. Okay, so then I'll put some more pucker in here. We keep calling it pucker, but it's not pucker. It's just
we were in
sour apple.
In Total Wine, we were looking for like the pucker vodka, like idiots, and like.
And we didn't need like sour apple.
It doesn't even
pucker.
ask for
we
that.
needed just sour apple, like.
Read all the way through. So let's do 2 ounces of lemon. It calls for 1 ounce. We're doubling everything.
Okay. So, 1 shot of vodka. This is what it reminds me of. This whole.
I'm gonna get some ice in this bad boy.
Okay, so it doesn't look green enough, so I'm just gonna...
It looks like lime juice. Maybe we should add some of that. That's pretty.
Out of what?
Isn't that what that's for?
Jen, let's not steer off the recipe.
Okay.
This is where we fuck up all the time.
Okay.
We haven't added any liquor.
Oh, add a drop of food coloring.
Oh, perfect. I added 2, already doubled it.
And then, so these are just the ingredients. This isn't the instructions. How do I get to that? Visit?
No, it doesn't matter. We already have everything in this cup.
That's how you would
Cheyenne.
do it. That's how you would do
How
it.
much vodka?
Half an ounce.
That's it?
I know, put more. Just do 2 full ounces, I think.
We're just gonna do this whole side.
I mean,
No, that doesn't even look like a lot. Is that a lot?
do a whole side and a half side.
Oh, this is the true meaning of 1 shot.
Okay. And so I'm pretty sure from here,
We keep looking at it.
we just add some ice and shake it up.
We should have put the ice first, but yeah.
We should have, because it's gonna splash now, but. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, shake that bad boy up.
Do you want, we need something to rim those.
You're right.
We filled up the cup too much, so now we gotta mix it like this. I swear, man, nothing's ever simple with us. It's always, we gotta run into some kind of problem. If we don't have problems, it really ain't us.
It really isn't. It
That's
looks
green
really
enough?
nice.
You think that's green enough?
We can make it a little greener. You can make this as green as you want, I'm assuming, because of the food coloring.
1 or 2? Why
2.
I did 2.
Oh shit! Just
Now that's green.
yeah, this is pretty green. So
It looks like it came out of a leprechaun's
then
ass.
you guys want to wet the rim of your glasses. I already have your sugar ready. Do you wanna?
I really thought this plate was bigger.
It got
Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah.
perfect.
You're the bomb.com.
And voila. So, I like beautiful drinks. I like pretty drinks when I go out, but I also like
She's so extra.
a drink that tastes good. I like already messed up because I filled that glass up way too much, I think.
This is why we don't cook or do anything.
I think we could make it. What should we do? Pour some?
Hold on, wait, no, you can't. You're gonna mess.
We're gonna fish it out. Let's just fish them
We're
out.
going fishing.
My bad.
Cheyenne.
I didn't even like snap. I just like went all happy. And
Ooh, that looks yummy. And we have our green plastic straws.
save the turtle.
A moment of truth. We have to cheers.
Cheers. It's pretty yummy. It's a little lemony.
I feel like we could do more vodka.
Yeah. We kind of did a lot. No. Oh my god, we didn't do anything. That's all you put in? Between 2 of us.
What? Sound like a lot?
Oh. Let me wash
We'll
this.
just go like this. Watch.
We're gonna compromise.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
See if that's better.
It's better.
I don't taste it.
I don't, but it
Hold
took
on.
away a lot
Let
of
me
the
get the
lemon.
sugar. Oh, you got so much sugar.
I did. The sugar's good.
Oh, these are gone.
I like it. I like this drink a lot. I think it's yummy. I could sip this.
Super good. It is a bit lemony though, so I would maybe cool it on the lemon juice next time that we make it.
I like it because you can't taste like soda, like the 7-Up, like the soda part, because usually soda like burns my throat and it like
overpowers like everything.
But you can't. It doesn't taste like fizzy at all.
I feel like we could have done more vodka. I feel like a lot of these drinks are made for like weak bitches. Just kidding.
Yeah, like amateurs.
They're just not what we're used to because we like our drinks kind of a little hefty.
Hefty.
We like our drinks a little hefty.
But these are yummy.
These are good. I do recommend. Like, what would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm gonna go with like a 7.
Funny, I was gonna say 7.
Yeah, I do like it. I don't think it's our fault. I think we did our part in making this drink.
A little bit.
But it's kind of on the basic side of drinks.
Yeah. Yeah, this is good. I would rate it like a 7. But I feel like the next drink we make, we're gonna make nothing but green drinks for the next month up until my birthday.
We're doing this in honor of Patty's Day, which is why we have our little bows.
Festive. We are filming this like super early. Valentine's Day was just like a couple days ago. But we're filming it early because we want time to kind of test out all these St. Patrick's drinks that we're gonna make. So.
And it's hard to find a day to film because we have opposite schedules.
It's awful.
Yeah, we didn't drink liquor at all today.
We should have. What else? I think that's it. This drink is really good, but our next one is gonna be
It's gonna blow your mind. We usually drink, when we drink here at home, like when I go out, I like vodka soda. I'm kind of basic, but I like wine at home, or like, honestly, we just like take shots. Yeah. If we are drinking like with friends.
People think we're crazy.
Yeah, we don't make a lot of cocktails. I like ordering cocktails, but I don't.
But that's why I wanted to start this series, so we can kind of like improve our cocktail making skills.
Yeah, I agree.
And this was like super simple. Like we could totally make this. If we decide to have a St. Patty's Day party,
these will be a hit.
These are simple, they're easy, they're tasty. Like I said before, this series is called Making the Tea and Spilling the Tea. We don't have any tea to spill today because we were just kind of testing it out.
Yeah.
And I'm hungry, to be honest.
Yeah, we're gonna make dinner. But if you guys have like some spill the tea ideas or like topics you do want discussed, I think that would be fun because I feel like we're pretty good at putting like our input.
Yeah.
On like something.
And we don't hold nothing back.
I don't mind keeping it real, but like she keeps it very blunt.
Like, what is that supposed to mean, Cheyenne? Should we chug these before we end the video?
You're like slacking, girl. We must finish before we end any video. That should be the rule.
Is that the #1 rule?
It's one of the rules.
I feel like it should be #1.
Okay. Girl, I was like...
You have way more ice than I do, cheater.
Yeah, these are good.
Not bad.
I'm excited to see what our next one is.
Not bad. We've just been looking up like cool things on like Pinterest or like Instagram.
I did get a little buzzed.
All the way.
Well, not buzzed, but like, do you just get like that feeling here? All right.
But that's how you know the drink is good. Cheyenne's already buzzed by the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this. Again, like Cheyenne said, if you guys have any ideas or topics you guys want us to give our opinions on, leave them in the comments down below. Again, these are all going to be green drinks for the month of March that's coming up for my birthday month.
We'll try to keep them like, I don't know, we could do like Easter stuff, I guess, but like, usually we have like birthdays throughout the year. And, like,
yeah, we're gonna try to keep them like themed basically, but
I think it'll be fun.
I mean,
obviously we like getting themed out, as you saw if you watched our 4th of July video, like, we like to get really into the spirit.
Yeah, we like to celebrate.
Yeah, I think we get that from our dad. He's very like outgoing.
It's kind of embarrassing. So this like series was inspired by our 4th of July video. We had a lot of fun making that. We were talking about how fun it was to make the 4th of July video and how cool would it be if we were just like to do that every like so often on my channel.
Yeah. We honestly have a lot of fun filming together.
So we decided to make this into a series and hopefully everybody enjoys it.
I think we should try, I think we should try like a shot of this vodka by itself because I've never drank.
I've never drinking.
This vodka straight. And I love vodka, but there's like very few that I'll take shots of.
Maybe it's those shots that we're buzzed off of.
I didn't drink tequila.
No, but you
When did you have to?
We took a shot at the beginning of this
Excuse
video.
me. Oh yeah.
Shannon, are you okay?
Yeah. XO vodka.
This is the XO vodka.
Yeah.
Jamais.
I mean, I've never had it. It's probably, what if it's not a great vodka and I'm just
We
saying
don't
that
really know.
because the bottle's nice.
It's expensive as fuck, but you know, things could be expensive and not be good.
Yeah.
But this is the shot to end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, I almost missed that step.
It's alright. Mom!
She's doing my laundry.
We're